Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Destiny 2, the edge of it, crashing, not launching, not loading, freezing or black screen issue on PC. So here let's follow the fixes. First solution is to simply restart your PC. So click on Windows icon and then simply click on restart to restart your PC and then launch the game from here and check. If this does not fix the issue, then follow the next solution. The next solution is to uninstall and reinstall BattleEye. To do this, right click on Destiny 2, select manage browse local file. Here you will see BattleEye folder. Open it, then right click on uninstall BattleEye, select run as administrator, click yes to allow. Once it is installed, then click on uninstall BattleEye, select run as administrator, click yes to allow. Once it is done, once it is installed, then launch the game and check. If this fix also does not fix the issue, then uninstall BattleEye, then relaunch the game from here and check. So to do this, right select on Destiny 2, select manage browse local files, open BattleEye folder, right click on uninstall BattleEye, select run as administrator, select yes to allow. Once it is uninstalled, then launch the game from here. It will install the BattleEye and it will launch the game. If this also does not fix the issue, then the next solution is to delete the game config folder. But make sure deleting the game config folder will delete all the saved settings. So if you agree, then follow this. To do this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, open user folder, open your username folder, open app data. If app data does not show over here, then click on show hidden item, then open app data folder, open roaming folder. Now copy this Bungie folder and paste it on desktop as a backup. Once the backup is created, then right click on Bungie and select delete to delete it. Once it is deleted, now launch the game and check problem fixed or not. If this also does not fix the issue, then verify the game files. So right click on Destiny 2, select properties, go to install file tabs and click on verify integrity of game files. Once the integrity of game files completes, now launch the game and check. If that also does not work, then try to modify the launch option of the game. Right click on Destiny 2, select properties. Here in the launch option, type -dx11. Now launch the game and check. If that does not fix the issue, then type -dx12. Close the tab. Now launch the game and check. If this also does not fix the issue, then remove -dx12 and follow other solution in this video. The next solution is to run the game as administrator. To do this, right click on Destiny 2, select manage browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Here right click on Destiny 2 exe file, select properties, go to compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If this does not fix the issue, then right click on Destiny 2 exe file, select properties, go to compatibility tab, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If that does not work, then select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If that also does not work, then click on disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. However, if this solution also does not work, then untick all the options from the compatibility tab, hit apply, OK, and follow the other solution mentioned in this video. Next solution is to allow the Destiny 2 games from the Windows Defender firewall. To do this, in Windows search type Windows Security, open it, click on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down, click on Manage Ransomware Protection, click on Allow an app through controlled folder access, click Yes to allow, click on Add an allowed app, then click on Browse all apps. Now browse the game installation folder. My game installed in external drive. Open Steam apps, common, Destiny 2 folder, select Destiny 2 exe file and select open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all app, select Destiny 2 launcher, click open to add it. Next, search for Windows Security in Windows search, open it, click on Firewall and Network Protection, click on Allow an app through firewall. Here click on change setting, then click on Allow another app, click on Browse and browse to game installation folder. Select Destiny 2 exe file, click open, click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse, browse to game installation folder, select Destiny 2 launcher exe file, click open and click on add. In my case Battle Eye launcher is already added. Now launch the game and check it solves your issue or not. If this also does not fix the issue, the next solution is to update your graphic card driver. To do this, type Device Manager in Windows search and open it. Expand Display Adapter. Right click on your graphic card and select Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for driver. After updating the driver, launch the game and check. If this also does not fix the issue, then perform a clean installation of your graphic card. If you are NVIDIA user, then go to NVIDIA official website. AMD user, then go to AMD official site. I am showing the example of NVIDIA driver. Here select your graphic card models and then click on Find. Click on View. Then click on Download. Once it is downloaded, then run the executable files and perform a clean installation of your driver and then launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. The link for installing the drivers is given in video description. If not fixed, then I would recommend you to update your Windows. To do this, open your Windows settings, click on Windows Update, then here click on check for updates. If any update is available, then download and install them, launch the game and check. Next solution is to install the Visual C++ files. To do this, go to the Microsoft official site, scroll down, download both x86 and x64 file and install both of them. The link for downloading the Visual C++ files is given in video description. Now launch the game and check it fixes your issue or not. If none of these solutions work for you, then last solution is to uninstall the game and fresh reinstall it, then launch the game and check. If this also does not work, then uninstall the game, install it on different hard drive or SSD drive and then launch the game and check. That's all for this video. Hopefully any of the fixes mentioned in the video had helped you to fix the issue. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe.